Is Axuro.store the next big thing in affordable lifestyle gadgets, or is it just another cleverly disguised scam? With its sleek design, flashy product images, and irresistible deals on modern tech accessories and home essentials, the site definitely knows how to grab your attention at first glance. It presents itself as a go-to destination for trendy, multifunctional products that promise convenience and innovation at unbeatable prices. But as we took a deeper look into Axuro, a number of red flags began to surface that you simply can't ignore if you value your time and money. First off, the domain was only registered recently in 2025, which is a common tactic among scam websites that pop up quickly, take in orders, and then vanish without a trace. There's no About Us section, no physical address, and no mention of any company or individual behind the store, a clear sign of zero transparency. On top of that, Axuro.store has no official social media presence whatsoever. In today's digital world, that's not just odd, it's a major warning sign. Any legitimate brand trying to build trust and grow its audience would at least have basic accounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or X. Even more misleading is their claim of having a 4.8-star rating on Trustpilot, which might make new customers feel reassured at first, but when we actually checked, there were no such positive reviews. In fact, the real Trustpilot reviews are overwhelmingly negative, with several users openly warning others that they never received their orders or got fake tracking information, calling the site a total scam. The contrast between the site's promises and the customer experiences is deeply concerning. While we can't definitively label it a scam without legal proof, the patterns here are extremely similar to other fraudulent websites that operate briefly to lure in unsuspecting shoppers. This review isn't about hyping the site or trashing it without reason. It's about giving you a clear, fact-based look at what you're really dealing with. So if you're tempted to buy from Axuro.store, watch this full video first because flashy discounts aren't worth the risk of losing your money.